You searched how to buy shares of Biogen Inc. Biogen is a biotechnology company focused on neurological therapies, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BIIB. This is educational content and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can complete a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BIIB to find the company listing. Select the result that clearly matches Biogen Inc. on NASDAQ. On the stock page, review the basic company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Biogen Inc. Verify the exchange reads NASDAQ and the ticker displays BIIB. To invest, click the Buy button, enter the amount or number of shares you want, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the purchase is processed. For convenience, a link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow these same steps.